Dennis, Sofia, and Aisha were best friends who did everything together. One day, their teacher, Mr. Jenkins, announced, "Tomorrow, we're having a hobby fair. Everyone will showcase their favorite hobby." The three friends looked at each other. None of them had a hobby. That afternoon, they gathered at Sofia's house. "We need to find hobbies before tomorrow," Dennis said. "But how do we even start?" Aisha asked. Sofia's grandma overheard and smiled. "A hobby is something you enjoy doing in your free time. Let's find out what you like." Grandma handed them a list. "Do you like drawing or painting? Try art. Love music? Play an instrument or sing? Like solving puzzles? Try chess or riddles. Enjoy being active? Try sports like soccer or dancing. Love nature? Start gardening or bird watching. Like stories? Try writing or reading books. Let's try different things," Dennis said excitedly. The next day, they visited the community center. Dennis tried painting but ended up mixing all the colors into a big brown blob. Sofia attempted playing the guitar, but it made a funny screeching sound. Aisha joined a soccer game, but she tripped over the ball. They laughed but didn't give up. After a few more tries, Dennis discovered he loved baking. "Making cookies is like mixing colors, but tastier," he said. Sofia fell in love with photography. "I can capture beautiful moments forever." Aisha found joy in dancing. "It's like telling a story with my moves." The next day, they proudly presented their new hobbies. Dennis brought delicious homemade cupcakes. Sofia displayed her amazing photographs. Aisha performed a fun dance routine. Mr. Jenkins clapped. "Great job! Hobbies make life exciting and help us learn new things." From then on, the three friends never felt bored again. They had found their passions. Moral of the story: hobbies make life fun. Try new things, find what you love, and enjoy the journey. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!